How to transfer money from Step to Cash App. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Step to Cash App. The first step is to launch the Cash App mobile application. This is the homepage of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. You will be taken to the profile page of your Cash App account. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. After that, scroll down and come to this section named Account and Settings. This section has several options under it. From them, the one we need is this one named Linked Banks. You will be taken to this page where you will see a list of all the banks you have linked to your Cash App account. Also on this page, there is an option that you can use to add a new bank or card to your Cash App account. So, tap on it and wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, you will land on this page where you are required to enter your card details. Make sure you enter your Step card details here correctly. After that, check if the details you have entered are correct to avoid the card being declined. From there, proceed and tap this option named Linked Card, and just like that, the card will be linked. Let us now proceed to the final step. Come back to the app homepage. After doing that, go to the menu at the bottom of the page and tap on this option here with the bank icon. You then land on this page. What you have to do after that is proceed to the top of the page where there are two options. From the options, tap this one named Add Money. A menu will appear where there is a button with the amount of money already provided. You can do them, but if you want to enter a custom amount, then proceed and tap these three dots here, and you can then enter the amount you would like to send easily. After doing that, then go ahead and tap here, Add, and the money will then be taken out of Step and into your Cash App account. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from Step to Cash App.